And what was the reason behind creating anynines CLI?
If you think about installing a database operator, you'll have to think about, well, what are the prerequisites of that operator? For example, our operator depends on the cert manager. So you have to install the cert manager, but not any version, a particular one. Then you have to install the operator itself, which has multiple components, so you have to download the specs and apply them as well. So with the CLI, this is all taken care of you. It's been reduced to simple steps that you could easily execute as single commands. But the CLI is not there to hide away the technical complexity from you. It will exactly show you the specs it generates or it takes from somewhere, will print them out for you, and will show you what are the kubectl command it will execute for you. It's basically like you'd hire an engineer who will show you how to install the software and make you learn what are the steps necessary to do so. So you can use it to install such an environment, create a Postgres instance, and will also generate the manifest for you that you could then edit, modify to your needs. So it's basically like a faster version of reading the documentation, so to say. It's about building in some guidance and make it simpler and more fun.